Right, good morning, you wonderful people. We're sitting out in the sunshine. It is 6:28 of the morning. I've just arrived at work early to miss the traffic, and I thought I would just share a little gadget with you. Right, for those people who've got older vehicles, this one is this is a Mazda 3 2007. Obviously, at this age, when you buy these vehicles, you do not get the Bluetooth facilities, so we can use our phone, stream our music and everything else. And for those people that are into their classic cars, the older vehicles, bless your cotton socks, I'm with you every inch of the way. So, what do you do if you want the Bluetooth facility and to use your phone? So what you can do is you can swap out your radio for an Android unit. I have done this in the past. If you look at my videos, I've done this on on my Chrysler C300, and I was looking at the same upgrade with this little Mazda, and then I came across a little box of tricks. Right, let me unplug this one from my car. Look, this is a little box of tricks, and this one manufacturer is KS, and what it does, this little thing here is an FM transmitter, so this will transmit to your radio. It's very own little radio station. It will transmit to your radio on a specific frequency, so you just tune your radio into this, and this takes over that station, and then your mobile phone will Bluetooth to this. So you've got a piggy in the middle. So this sits in the middle. Your telephone talks to this. This will talk to your radio. And that way you get to keep your... hang on, let me put this back in there. It's a bit of a tight fit. You get to keep your CD players. Because like some people, we do actually have our own music collection. And when we move over to Android, we can no longer use them unless we're going to convert everything to digital. So it has impressed me so much. I've bought another one. Right now, this is a cheaper one offline, and what we have in here, this is a car F3, whatever that may be, and inside all we have is a little box of tricks, like so. We have a book of Chinese instructions that we're not even going to bother with. Right. On the top of here, you have two USBs. You have where are we? You have a 1 amp, and you have a 3.1 amp. So there's a fast charge and a standard. In the side here, there is a slot for a memory card, so that you can plug a memory card into it and play directly from here. So this also can be like a little MP3 player. On the top, we have a green button. I don't know if you can see the tall button. That's to answer your calls or to pause your music and replay it. A light. So this little thing has an ambient light all the way around, so you can have pretty colours if you want it. And obviously you've got the channel button. So if you tune into the radio into this, let's just say the one that's in now is at 108 FM. If that is a noisy channel, what you do, you push that channel button and it will scan through to another channel, tune your radio into that. When you find a nice quiet channel with no interference, lock it in. Just push the button, the channel button, and lock it into your radio, and that will be your designated Bluetooth channel. Amazing bit of kit. There we have it. And I can't wait to put this one in my little motorhome. So guys, there's a little hack on how to get Bluetooth into your vehicle for next to nothing. The one in my Mazda 3 I purchased from Argos for £15. They do a larger one. I don't know what the difference is, but that one is £20. This one was off eBay, £5.99. Quality wise, I see no difference. I see no reason why this isn't going to play quite happily in my motorhome. Alright guys, have a fantastic day, sun shining, don't get sunburned, and I'll speak to you all soon. Catch you later.